Hello.
Jagger.
Hi, Jagger.
Hey, buddy. He loves looking at himself in the mirror. Are you ready to go to Magic Kingdom?
Yeah.
Huh? You ready to see Mickey Mouse again? What do you think,
Mickey?
bud?
Mickey.
Let's go.
Hello.
Hello.
Jagger.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Yeah.
Ooh, were you just looking at yourself in the mirror before?
Yes, he was.
Nice hat. Where'd you get it?
Oh, somebody gave it to me for Christmas. Yeah, I'm one of those where like I see something in the store and I'm like, oh, I really like that. Like, but I'll buy it later. And then later comes and it's just, I can never find it. Oof.
And then you look for 3 months and find it somewhere.
Right, exactly. What?
Oh, aren't we excited?
Somebody's ready to go like right now.
He wants to go in his carriage so bad. We're going to Magic Kingdom again.
We are. We're going to Magic Kingdom again and we're going to go see Mickey Mouse.
Yep.
And Jagger is going to ride his first ride.
Ooh.
We put a poll up on Adventures in Weberland Instagram to see what his first ride should be.
Yeah.
Small World or People Mover?
Which one?
Small World.
Woo, it's a small world after all. No?
I think we're ready to go to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah! Look at that big drum set. Woo! Are you ready for Magic Kingdom today, Jagger? Tell me. Mom, you ready?
I'm always ready. You don't have to ask me.
What's your favorite part of the trip so far, Jagger? Oh, really?
He's like, just get me there, please. I want to see Mickey again.
Meaning Mickey? We're in Ursula.
You know what? I was gonna like, because we didn't take a picture or anything. That's where we parked, everyone.
Purple like that.
Yeah.
Like Ursula.
We're gonna walk again, like we did yesterday, because it was a nice walk.
Get some miles in.
Get some miles in. Steps.
Steps, that's what it's called.
Yeah. I mean, the wind's not blowing like it was yesterday. So it's not as cool, but the temperature is. It's like, well, right now, it's supposed to be a high of 63. But right now, I think it's like 55, I think the weather app said.
So nice warm sweatshirts on.
Yeah, it's nice. Trust me, this is a lot better than back home. So we're totally fine with it. It is gonna warm up towards the end of the week. I think one day is gonna be like 80.
Yeah, I think tomorrow it goes up a little bit and then it goes up just higher.
I think it's Hollywood Studios. When we were at Hollywood Studios, it's gonna be like 80. So I'm totally fine with that.
Are we parked here yesterday?
Yeah, we parked in Scar yesterday. We're getting used to this. This is like, there's a heroes and a villains side, which we knew, but
it's good though. It changes up the vlog too. So like, you know, we have like different things we're doing.
Yeah, we can give our actual honest review on this because again, we've never done it before. So
the same old, you know, the same old stuff gets boring.
Does it, Ryan?
Yeah.
I don't like change though, so
yeah, but this is fun.
This is good change because it's a little Jag.
Yeah, he's all
who is yeah. Hello. Are you ready? Yeah?
Yeah.
We're going back to see Mickey.
Yeah.
He's got his little stroller, Mickey.
He's all ready.
Yeah.
Ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna ride the monorail again, bud. You ready?
Woohoo.
He's excited.
Yeah.
He's also tired.
But it's nap time.
It is nap time. We'll figure it out.
It really amazes me how many people come here every single day.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean,
you didn't like
thousands and thousands of cars.
Yeah, I guess like when you think about it, I understand what you're saying. I get it.
It's pretty impressive. Yeah.
Yeah. Well.
And how they are able to operate smoothly every day.
Right.
What the heck?
He says, "What the heck?"
The monorail.
Oh.
is closed.
I know, I don't know what happened. I mean, people are getting off, but...
I don't know. Hopefully nothing bad happened, or maybe
well,
there's...
now it's a great excuse to take the boat that's already here.
We did it before on our last trip.
The Jagger hasn't yet, so this will be fun.
First boat ride.
I don't know, we're gonna have to wait for the next one. There's another one coming, so.
First boat ride ever. It's a lot of firsts on this trip.
I know.
Here he is.
I think he'll like it. I'm gonna have to put his hat on.
Which one are we gonna get? That's the question.
I don't know. That one's leaving, so we're getting the next one.
All right. This is gonna be nice, actually. I wanted to do the ferry.
Yeah, I know.
You want the camera? You want the camera? You want the camera?
Is that what you want? Yeah. It's very nice. I'm sorry. I keep hitting his head with my hat.
You ready to go on the boat for the first time?
How come by? Because I want.
See what I see across the way there?
Yes, I do.
Polynesian.
Actually, we're gonna be there tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
I forgot.
That's right. Jagger too. Loves the camera. You love it.
On aboard, everybody. We're going to get you to the Magic Kingdom in about 8 minutes flat. Welcome aboard. Good day.
It's like when he met Mickey. I like that. We're here. We're here.
Hi.
We're back.
What's on your lip, buddy?
Look. Gonna take a photo pass?
Yes. Yes, we are. Trying to do as many as we can this trip. Okay. Jaggy, you ready?
Jagger.
You ready? Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go inside now.
We just took some photo pass pictures.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna head inside. And I think we're gonna go see Mickey Mouse again. Yes, okay, I'm sorry. Ryan totally tripped over that.
There's nothing around it. Just not looking, you know.
Yeah. Well, you have the baby, so you need to pay attention.
Oh, I'm good.
No, dad fail, not Disney fail. You have the baby.
I'll fall before he does.
Are we gonna go see Mickey now?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, let's go see Mick.
Go through these things here to go into the world of yesterday. Dapper Dans again.
Yeah. When we walked in yesterday, the Dapper Dans were singing. They're up there.
This is your place, buddy.
Jaggy, you ready to go meet Mickey again? Ready to go see Mickey again? Yeah? Hello. Who is that? Who is that? We're almost there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Jagger, who is that? You ready? You ready, buddy? Are you ready? Yeah. Who's that? Say hello, Mickey. Say hello, Mickey.
You watch it anymore?
Jagger, say hello. Yeah. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yeah.
Look, he's waving.
Are you waving to Mick?
Say bye. Say bye-bye. I'll see you later.
Say bye. Bye, Mickey. Thank you.
Yeah.
Buddy, who was that?
Oh, we met Mickey, huh?
Yeah. It's so funny. He makes this cute little noise. He's like, ah.
Ah,
Like, he's
Jagger.
like, wait a second.
are you excited?
Ooh, do I hear a cavalcade?
Oh,
I feel
what?
like I hear something.
I do, yeah.
Right? But it's like, are they clear? Oh yeah, they're clear now. Let's stay right here and see who it is.
No Winnie the Pooh.
He said hi.
Oh, what's that? Look at the castle.